In this tutorial, we will show you how to vacuum a pool using a vac head, vac hose, telescopic pole, and a Hayward vac plate. First, we need to assemble the vacuum system. Start by inserting the open end of the telescopic pole into the vac handle. While holding the tabs in on the vac handle, continue to push the pole in until the tabs pop into the openings on the pole. This will secure the pole to the vac handle. Next, connect the vacuum hose to the vacuum head. Grab the swivel end of the vac hose and firmly push the hose onto the fitting that is connected to the vac head. Now that your vacuum system is assembled, install the Hayward vac plate. Start by turning off the pump and removing the lid on the top of your skimmer. Grab one of the tabs on the weir door and gently flex it inward. You can now easily remove the weir door. You are now ready to install the vac plate. First, line up the tabs and drop in the vac elbow into the vac plate. Once inserted, turn the elbow clockwise to lock into place. You can now drop the vac plate on top of the skimmer basket, making sure the elbow opening is facing the pool water. Now it's time to prime your vac hose. Start by inserting your assembled vac system into the pool. Turn on the pump, grab the end of the vac hose, and hold it in front of the return for approximately 10 seconds. This will remove all of the air from the hose and completely fill the hose with water. This step will help prevent your vacuum system from losing prime when connecting the hose to the vac plate. You are now ready to attach the vac hose to the vac plate. Keeping the hose underwater, push the hose through the skimmer and attach the hose by firmly pushing it into the elbow on the vac plate. You can now start to vacuum your pool. Grab the telescopic pole and slowly move the vacuum along the bottom of the pool. The suction created by the pump will lift dirt and debris off the bottom of your pool into the skimmer basket and through the filter system. Once you are finished vacuuming, turn off the pump, remove your vacuum system from the pool, and clean out your skimmer basket, pump basket, and filter system. You have now successfully vacuumed your pool using a vac plate. If you have any questions, please contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.